Hey, it's your boy AI Jew, and this is NoMediocre 876. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow the channel. Keep up to date with the latest adventure in Jamaica. You understand? Don't miss it. Leave a comment, share it with your friends. Boom.
Hey NoMediocre crew and new viewers, welcome back to another video. Today we sojourn to the mountains in search of a gem of a restaurant called REGGAE Mountain Lounge.
Hi!
You already know wherever the food is, we'll find it. And once it's a unique destination, then it's definitely a must visit. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and find it informative, please give your girl a thumbs up. Share the video, leave a comment, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any video I upload on the channel.
How are you enjoying yourself at this very fine and beautiful place?
It couldn't be better.
Thank you.
When you do visit, don't forget to take photos because this picturesque natural background will definitely complement your photos. What's spectacular about this restaurant is the breathtaking view you'll have while dining. So, do enjoy the view of the famous Blue Mountain, Newcastle, and Catherine's Peak. And lastly, please remember to enjoy the cool breeze. Ah, heavenly. Customer service mixes well with the atmosphere. It is laudable. If you do plan to visit, it is advised that you make a reservation before visiting REGGAE Mountain Lounge. Yes, NoMediocre crew and new viewers, today I'm at Reggae Legend Estate, which is the home of REGGAE Mountain Lounge. So today guys, we will be speaking with the manager, Earl. He'll be telling us all about this wonderful place. Where is he, Earl? Oh, there he is. How are you, Earl? I've been here waiting on you, How are things?
Things are okay.
Yes, good to see you. My viewers and I, we are excited to learn about this place. So Earl, tell us, when was this place founded?
Right, so REGGAE Legend Estate was founded in 2016. That's when we kickstarted everything that you see here, and we slowly build on it.
Okay. And also the restaurant.
The restaurant was opened in November last year.
November of last year. Oh, so it's relatively new. Tell us about the property.
Alright, so we acquired the estate in 2016 from the Bob Marley Foundation. The home was previously the home to the kids and the grandkids
Of Bob Marley.
of Bob Marley. Hence our name, Reggae Legends.
Oh, yes. Contextual clues.
And why we say legends?
Yes.
Because one of our major investors is also a legend himself in his own right?
Okay.
The legend Junior Reed, he is one of our major investors in this establishment. Yeah. So, hence again for the name Reggae Legends Estate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I do realize that it also allows visitors to enjoy their meal while also having a beautiful view. So tell me, do you have a lot of people coming by on a daily basis or more so on the weekends?
Given the fact that the restaurant, REGGAE Mountain Lounge, that is,
Yes.
was opened its doors in November of last year, we tried to do it with a bang, where we hosted a lounge, right? A brunch rather. We hosted a brunch. It was headlined by Ken Booth. We invited pretty much everybody in Jamaica to come out and try our food, enjoy the music from another legend. It was a success. It was a major success. We brought invited rather few media personalities to come and capture the moment that was executed, and that's really the catalyst for everything else
Yes.
that followed.
And of course, social media.
And social media. Yeah, we do our in-house marketing. We should scale up those efforts.
Well, I don't think you guys are lacking in that area because everyone that comes here, based on what I've seen even today when I arrived, was taking pics. So it's all over social media. So that in itself is a lot of marketing.
We're happy for that, and we encourage everybody to just continue to do that.
Yes, free marketing.
Yes, then do tag us. Tag us in every photo, please.
Yeah, definitely. You know, so this beautiful estate is located in the mountains, right? So it's not like it's say in halfway tree. It's quite a distance from, you know, where should I say, the city? Yes. So people, how long, if people want to visit this estate, like how many minutes would you say from halfway tree to get here?
From halfway tree to this location is about 25 minutes, right?
So not too bad of a distance.
Not too bad of a distance. I mean, we're overlooking the botanical garden of Hope Garden, right? And the University of Technology, right? We're 10 minutes outside of Papine. It would seem like we're far removed. However, we're just a stone throw away from the city.
Yes. And of course, it's worth the drive.
Oh yes, it's worth the drive. The views to one side of the property behind me, you see the mountain view,
which is beautiful,
which is
by the way.
which takes you all the way to Hollywood, right? So Hollywood is over there, right, and the soldier camp, and Catherine's Peak. Right? So we often tell our visitors that they're overlooking what is Catherine's Peak and Blue Mountain.
So if one wants to hike, right, and they're at the restaurant and they decided, oh, I feel like I would stay here, are there rooms here for guests to stay?
Definitely. While we acquired the property in 2016, the idea was to immediately list it on Airbnb, which we did that. We started out by breaking the property into two parts. We refer to as the townhouse, and the other section we refer to as the villa. Right? The villa was constructed by Lauryn Hill, another musical legend, and her husband at the time, Rowan Marley. Right? He would have had memories growing up here, right? And they, at some point, decided to establish their home or their retirement home here. Right? But later on, you know what that story is. Fortunately, we acquired it, and the property boasts 10 suites. well, currently 9 suites, and we have the 10th one coming on board short. The 10th one is actually below us, and we're going to name that area Off the Grid. So that's Reggae Legends Estate Off the Grid.
Oh, lovely.
Right? Because it's kind of a wood cabin.
Yeah.
That's the feel. You're out in nature. The shower is actually in a mango tree.
Wow.
Yes, it's entirely outdoor shower. Beautiful lights lining the walkway. Yeah.
I guess we should actually have a view of that. What do you think, guys? Do you want to see that?
It's still under construction, but
It's
sure,
still
we
under
can give you
construction.
guys a sneak peek.
Okay.
Right?
That would be great.
I'll also maybe later on show you guys the villa.
Yes.
The villa is a 4-bedroom. It has 2 master suites and 3 bathrooms. Right? All the other units, which were formerly rooms to the kids, we converted those into self-contained units. Adding to the bedroom a living area and a kitchen or a kitchenette.
Oh, great,
Yes.
great.
So we have in total 9 of those, and the 10th one coming out with short.
Oh, great, great. Can't wait to see them.
We also have on property now a spa,
A spa.
which is also below us.
Oh my God. So this is somewhere heavenly, because you're in nature and you're able to sit down and just listen to the birds, enjoy the view, and then go to the spa if you so wish.
That's
Ah,
correct.
yes.
And
That's divine.
if you when you come and stay here, there's no short of activities.
Oh, you're saying I can come and stay here?
Yeah, definitely.
Free of charge?
We'd love to invite you guys back so you guys can really do capture the property in its entirety.
Yes.
Right?
That would be
Showcase the
great.
rooms. Well, today you guys are showcasing what is REGGAE Mountain Lounge.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed your meal.
Definitely. The food was awesome.
But on the
Really
other
tasty.
episode, I guess you guys will show Jamaica how much we have to offer in our
Yes.
rooms and the different amenities. We have our pools. You
Yes.
mentioned those who are activity seekers
Yeah.
you could do cycling up the hill here, which is Skyline Hill, which is in Jackson.
Yeah.
So we are well situated, one of the most affluent communities, I would say, in Kingston and
Great
St. Andrew.
community.
Yeah, so safe.
How many pools are there?
We have 1 pool, and we have a plan to put in a pool or a hot tub on the property.
Okay.
Right. So the Marley family had 3 properties
Yes.
in this location, right? And we acquired 2 of those properties, right? So we did minor development to this one, we didn't want to take away the historical aspects of the property, because we respect the Marley family, right?
That's great.
And I think that's a big deal.
All right, Earl, one last question. What would you say is the most unique thing about the lounge, to be exact? Why people should come here instead of other restaurants?
I would say that it's our position, right? We are not far from home, right? We're located in Jackson, St. Andrew, and the historical factor that is here, the being in nature and the food, right? Everybody that dines here so far speaks highly of the food, right?
Yes.
Everybody enjoy the meal and they enjoy the scenic view.
Let me interject. I'm not being biased, guys. My meal was delicious. Delicioso.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for that. We
Yes.
accept that, and we hope that everybody else that should follow will dine here.
Yeah, highly
has the
recommended,
same-
guys.
Yeah, has the same opinion. Yeah, but the views are, outstanding. You guys
Cool.
dine today on the deck, right? We also offer picnic dining, which is in this area that we're sitting.
Picnic dining.
So we switch up things, right?
Okay,
We switch up things.
All right.
We have the ability also to host major parties. We have host weddings. We have host concerts, right? Ourselves for our lunch, as we said, we did a brunch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, great, great. All right, so guys, this is basically the end of the video where Earl basically highlighted what's great about Reggae Legend Estate and Reggae Mountain Lounge. But guys, guess what? Next time we'll come back, we'll revisit rather, and Earl will give us a full tour of the estate. But for now, guys, as I said earlier, you should come here. Come here and dine and enjoy the ambience. Thank you so much for having me, and the NoMediocre crew, of course, and telling us about Reggae Legend Estate.
So Earl, anything you want to say to the viewers?
Yes, definitely. Guys, I want you guys to subscribe to NoMediocre 876. Right? You guys have a lovely channel, right? A beautiful host, I must say. Right? Real nice crew. Yeah.
You're too kind. Thank you. Alright guys, until next time. See you on the next video. I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre.